Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my CSA 425 neural network presentation. Hello, I am Rifa Sharanapal from section 1. My topic is example and architecture of sequence 2 word using RNN. What's in it for you? What is neural network? Popular neural network architecture. What is RNN? Why RNN? And examples of RNN for sequence 2 word. First of all, there is some neural network architecture. You can see those are LayNet 5, Dan CreationNet, AlexNet, Overfit, VZZ, Networking Network, GoogleNet and Inception, Bottlenet Layer, ResNet, SqueezeNet and eNet. What is neural network? A neural network is a network of circuit of neurons, or in a modern sense an artificial neural network composed of artificial neurons or nodes. Thus a neural network is either a biological neural network made up for real biological neurons or an artificial neural network for solving artificial intelligence problems. The connection of biological neurons are modeled as weights. What is RNN? RNN is a recurrent neural network, which is a network containing neural layers that have a temporal feedback loop. A neuron in this layer receives the current inputs as well as its own outputs from the previous time step, and RNN can cooperate across sequence of inputs since the recurrent layer remembers previous inputs while processing the current input. When an RNN network is computed, the software will unroll the network by rapidly cloning the RNN across the time steps, computing the signals for the forward pass. During backwards pass, the loss is backpropagated through the BPTT like feeded forwarded network, except parameters adjustment across the clones are shared. Here is rolled and that is unrolled, you can see here, and this is the diagram of a LSTM model. These are input, input that is t minus 1 and output t minus 1. These output will be used for next state, and likely this will be continued for n state. Why RNN? Using dual RNNs to encode one language and decode to another language, we can train powerful and elegant sequence-to-sequence translation models. Sec-to-sec learning. Much of Google Translate intelligence now relies on this technology. These RNNs work with one hot input vectors or untrained pre-trained embeddings representing text either at a character level or word level. There are three graphical structures you can see here. So solving titles are Sec2 model. We can combine RNNs with word2vec to map job titles. To interest using a model, we will call Sec2 sequence to bag of words. The RNN learns to compose the embedding for any title from its word sequence, giving us two advantages. First, we no longer require a vocabulary list to exhaustively capture so many combinations of similar titles. Second, the titles and interests exist in the same embedding space, so we can query across the two vocabularies to see how they relate in meaning. Not only can we access how similar titles are, we can find out by contrasting inferred interest. The training sets consist of job descriptions containing titles and extracted keywords, we use a few embedding layer for the title words and feed that through a LSTM to compute a fixed title embedding. This new title embedding trained to predict the interests occurring in the same description. For that, we use a linear layer to project the new title embedding onto the vector space for interest pre-trained on our own corpus using word2vec. A linear layer is a neural layer without nonlinear activation, so it is merely a linear transformation from the LSTM output to the existing interest vector space. We train the word prediction like word2vec with positive and negative embeddings according to the keywords and the appear in the job description for the associated title. We use Keras on the TensorFlow backend running on NVIDIA GPU. So in the last diagram, I am describing about it. A recurrent neural network encoder decoder consists of an encoder RNN and a decoder RNN. For input sequence x equal to x1 x2 to the xt, the encoder reads each of its symbol xi sequentially. The hidden state st of the RNN is updated accordingly. After that, the last symbol xt is processed. The corresponding hidden state ht is interpreted as the learned representation of the entire input sequence. Subsequently, by initialing its hidden state using ht, the decoder generates an output sequence y equal to y1 y2 to the yt0 sequentially, where t and t0 can be different. Such a sequence to sequence framework does not contains input target sequence and has successfully applied to tasks such as machine translation, video caption generation, abstract meaning representation parsing, and generation acoustic word embedding acquisition. The backbone of speech to vec. This is this diagram. So in this diagram, the RNN decoder framework inspired by word2vec here propose two methodologies for training spec-vec script diagrams, continuous bag of words, CO. The two variants are depicted figure 1 and figure 2. Training speech to vec with spec diagram. The idea of training spec 2 with skip grams is that for each audio segment xn corresponding to a word in a speech corpus, the model is trained to predict the audio segments x into n minus k, x into n minus 1, x into n plus 1 to the x into n plus k corresponding to nearby words within a certain range k4. After xn, during training, the encoder first takes xn and encodes it into a vector representation of fixed dimensionally zn. The decoder maps zn to several output sequences y, I, n minus k, n minus 1, n plus 1 to the n plus k. The model is trained by minimizing the gap between output sequence their corresponding nearby audio segments measured by general mean squared error p I into I minus yi2. The intuition behind the approach is that in order to successfully decorate nearby audio segments and vectors representation zn should contain sufficient semantic information. So there are some examples of RNN for sequence to word. So Google Translate, Google Text to Voice, Google Image Search, and Google Search Engine. we can use this RNN for more applications. So thanks for watching my presentation. Assalamu alaikum.